This is a guide on replacing a screen on an Acer TravelMate P658 series. For the replacement process, we'll need a couple of plastic picks and a Phillips screwdriver. To begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect the power cord. Using plastic picks, start separating the bezel. Using both hands, gently pull the bezel away from the screen, unsnapping the tabs underneath. Go around the perimeter. Set the bezel aside. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 4 Phillips screws holding the screen in place. Place the screen on the keyboard. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector. And using both hands, disconnect the cable and discard the old screen. Place the new screen on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable. Secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. Also, make sure not to twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and lean it on the back cover. Test the new screen. The startup graphics appear and we can finish the reinstallation process. Replace 4 Phillips screws holding the screen in place. Wipe the screen with microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints. Replace the bezel. Press firmly near the hinge covers, then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Close the laptop and make sure that the bezel is snapped along the bottom edge of the screen. Turn the laptop on and we're done.